Hi everyone, hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the big muscle under your lungs, suddenly spasms. This spasm forces a quick breath in and your vocal cords snap shut, making the HIC sound. Why does it spasm? Common triggers include eating too fast, carbonated drinks, spicy food, sudden excitement, or even temperature changes. How to stop hiccups fast? Try breath holding for 10 to 15 seconds. This resets the diaphragm. Or sip cold water slowly. Another trick is to take 1 spoon of sugar and let it melt on your tongue. It distracts the nerves, controlling the diaphragm. You can also try breathing in and out slowly into a paper bag to regulate carbon dioxide levels. Most hiccups are harmless and go away in minutes. These tricks just make it faster.
Thanks for watching. Smash that subscribe button.